Hey guys, it's Sydney here with Kids Club here at Elwick. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Play-Doh kits. Amongst other things, each kit has a bag of flour, some salt, some oil, and some cream of tartar. So, first we're going to be mixing in the dry ingredients. So everything except for the oil, pretty much. As you can see, I'm doing this with my phone in one hand filming and doing the craft with the other. Put in the flour. And then you're going to get a whisk and we're going to whisk together the dry ingredients. If you don't have a whisk or can't find one at home, a fork will work just fine. Just kind of mix it together. Once that is whisked together, you can put in the oil. Sorry that it's a little bit messy because we put it in a bag, but it'll still work just fine. Now, if you're having some trouble getting the oil out of the bag, you can get an adult to help you put in 1/2 of a tablespoon of vegetable oil. There we are. Ask a grown-up for help with this next part because it involves boiling water. For this part, you need 1/2 of a cup of boiling water. Use a liquid measure like so. And then instead of the whisk, you'll be using a rubber spatula. So you pour it in and take some time mixing it with the rubber spatula. So I mixed it all up and I even added some food coloring, which you could do at any time. And it's been a couple minutes, so it's not hot anymore from the boiling water, which means that I no longer need the rubber spatula and I can start mixing it with my hands. So you could take some time to do that. And another thing, if you find that it's too dry and it's not sticking properly, then you can add a little bit more hot water. And if it starts getting too sticky, you can add a little bit of flour and that will help quite a bit. So get mixing! Once it's all colored and you've mixed it around a good deal with your hands, you can either play with it or you can stick it into the bag that it came in for storage. And make sure that you seal up the Ziploc seal, following all the way down the line, making sure that you feel a click beneath your hands. And there you have it! Play-Doh!